The BMW i8 is a sleek and remarkably innovative electric plug-in hybrid sports car, blending cutting-edge technology with impressive performance and style. In this brief overview, you'll have a quick glimpse of its distinguished features. Design. The i8 boasts a visually striking and advanced appearance, displaying dynamic scissor doors, a low, slightly slung car body, and a classy yet aggressive style that sets it apart from competitors. Powertrain. Powering the i8 is a 1.5-liter, 3-cylinder turbocharged engine combined with a potent electric motor, producing an impressive combined output of approximately 369 horsepower. Its advanced technology allows it to switch between these power sources in response to driving demands, ensuring optimal efficiency. Performance. Riding high on adrenaline. The i8 accelerates from a standstill to 100 km/h, 62 km, in just 4.4 seconds. This remarkable swiftness, coupled with its eco-friendly nature, offers the thrill of high-performance sports performance on a budget. Interior. The cabin accommodates the driver with a futuristic, driver-centric design, utilizing sustainable materials, and a high-resolution digital display for an intuitive user experience. Sustainability. The i8 is committed to eco-friendliness, making use of lightweight materials, like carbon fiber reinforced plastic and an impressive plug-in hybrid system designed to minimize CO2 emissions and improve fuel efficiency. What sets the i8 apart is its seamless fusion of luxury, engineering prowess, and environmental consciousness. If you're a fan of sleek, eco-conscious vehicles like this, then the BMW i8 is undoubtedly a top choice.